Oh.
Oh no.
Yep.
What was my hand? More water.
More water. Oh, now that's bigger. Oh, don't get wet. Why you do that?
I need only meter. Here's the water to us.
Hello, Mikay. Say hi, Mikay.
Just make your home.
Yep, busy.
More water.
Busy, bawi-bawi. Bago pumasok, may pang-content. Oh. Oh, there's a summer now.
Party, tea.
Yep,
Ati, tama dapat.
I know.
Tea.
Wow. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. You want me to do that? See.
Oh, no date. No date.
No?
No date.
Oh, no dirt?
Yeah.
You want me to do dirt?
No.
Here you go.
I need mud.
I need to get this one, the grass.
I need some mud.
I need to get the grass, anak. See, now. Oh, see.
Oh, no date.
No dirt. Okay, let me take out the dirt.
Teach you a mouth.
Thanks to God. Oh, what is that? Is that a raven?
Okay, I can move.
No.
Because you tell me I can move.
No moose.
Oh.
Say hi, Shalane. Busy.
Yeah, Tabby.
Jelana is busy playing mud.
Hey.
Come here. Ang kulit. No, not yet.
Hey, in here.
What?
And my hair. Oh.
Oh, there's a hair. Okay. Kulit eh.
Man.
Oh, let me... You itchy again?
No.
Itchy your nose? Oh, not too high. Now your legs is gonna get wet. Oh, no. We're in trouble with daddy.
Oh no, I want to be taller.
Okay.
More dirt. Done, I did. Wait. More dirt.
More dirt.
More dirt. More water. Dirt. More water.
Naranasan nyo bang ganyan nung bata kayo maglarong mag-isa? Happy na kayo maglaro kahit kayo lang mag-isa?
More dirt.
Okay na sa inyo?
More dirt.
O kailangan may kalaro?
More dirt.
Yung kambal kailangan may kalaro eh. Lagi silang magkasama.
More dirt.
Si Jelana nasanay mag-isa. Right, Jelana? Amara, hello. More dirt.